Hello, job seekers. Melanie here with CGL Recruiting, and today we're going to be doing another one of our hashtag videos. This one is going to be on the top LinkedIn hashtags for healthcare. Today we're going to share our top 20 that we have been able to find by doing tons and tons of research on LinkedIn hashtags. Now, if you're not familiar with how LinkedIn hashtags work, they will make your posts go further. Whether you're a company, a job seeker, a sales and marketing person trying to show a new product, all of these hashtags will make your posts go further and make sure that they're seen in more people's newsfeed. Now, we'll talk more about hashtags as we go through this video, but I do want to get right in, and we're going to start with the number 20 and work our way up to number 1, which actually has over 9 million followers. But let's start with number 20 that we've been able to find out of all of the thousands. There were lots that I thought would show up in this top 20 list that didn't. But here we go, right with number 20, which is hashtag nursing leadership. I love this hashtag already. It's definitely one on my list that I'm going to follow. This one has 28,791,000 followers. If you are looking for a really good niche hashtag, this is probably one that if you're targeting nurses, if you want to be a nurse, looking for nursing jobs, this is a good hashtag for you. It's one of those ones that I think too is a little bit off the radar and you may not know about unless you happen to just come across it. So I was very happy to find this one with 28,000 plus followers. Let's keep going and look at our next hashtag, which is hashtag medtech. This one had 36,100 followers, and our next one after that was hashtag medical at 39,685 followers. Now remember, to follow a hashtag, all you need to do is go into your LinkedIn page, go up to the top left corner where you see that bar where you search for things, type in the hashtag in the name, and you're going to see it pop up. And then you just click on it, and it's going to bring up the hashtag page. Once it brings up the hashtag page, you get to see how many followers it has, and you also get to click that blue follow button, which will then add anybody who uses this hashtag, add those posts, based on LinkedIn's algorithm to your news feed. Okay, let's keep going and take a look at our next one. Hashtag medical device at 41,291,000 followers. Now, of all the hashtag videos we've been doing, and we have looked at thousands of hashtags. Whenever we create one of these videos with the top ones, there's tons of others that we've looked at which had 200 followers, 300 followers, no followers that didn't make the list, right? And so in looking at all of those, some of the different lists that we've done, the hashtag numbers have been a lot smaller on the followers. Not true with the medical ones. You're going to see these numbers go up fairly quickly. Let's keep going to our next one, which is hashtag mental health awareness. This one had 45,964 followers. Excuse me. All right, let's keep going on with our healthcare hashtags. Our next one is hashtag life sciences at 52,960 followers. Now remember, hashtags only work on your primary post. They do not work in comments. So don't, if you want to put it in, just put it in, you can. But it will not actually share anything that you put in a comment to one of the different hashtags and randomize it on people's news feeds. If you are looking for the top 25 hashtags overall, we do have a video for that, as well as lots of other segment of hashtags. We're focusing heavily first on our LinkedIn ones. Then we have a set of videos coming out on Twitter and on our Instagram ones as well. The next one we're looking at is hashtag life sciences. Did we already do this? We did this one. That's what happens when you get confused. Hashtag hospital. Should we roll that out for a blooper? Nah, let's just leave it in for this recording. Hashtag hospital at 64,013 followers. Moving right along, our next one is going to be hashtag pharmaceutical industry at 68,886,000 followers. Next one after that is going to be hashtag pharmaceutical at 70,522 followers. Now remember, if you are looking for a position in healthcare, these hashtags are important to you two ways. One, you may want to follow these hashtags. So anytime somebody posts a job in one of these hashtags, there's a chance it's going to come up in your LinkedIn newsfeed. And the second thing is when you post about yourself that you're looking for a job, like let's say you're looking for a job in the pharmaceutical area, you want to use this hashtag to make your post go further. Otherwise, your posts only go to your first level connections or anybody that's following you. Wouldn't you rather have it hit another potential 70,522 people? You can just use your hashtags. Our next one we're going to take a look at is hashtag nursing at 85,103. And then moving on up to hashtag hospitals with an S on the S on the end. Hashtag hospitals, 89,053. Oh my goodness, am I having a hard time talking today? Let's keep going on to our next one, which is hashtag pharma at 97,923 followers. We are getting so very close to hitting over that 100,000 mark, and we're actually going to do it with our next one in a big way. Hashtag medical devices with the S on the end. Medical devices is 470,529 followers. It is critical when you're looking at using hashtags that you get the hashtag right. And tense, whether it's plural or not plural, makes a huge difference on hashtags. I have seen a lot of individuals recently just deciding to create hashtags on their own, which everything has to start somewhere. But if you're trying to sales or market and you're just creating a hashtag, medical device 22, you're not actually going to have anybody following that, so it's not going to make your post go further. If you are trying to start your own hashtag, what I recommend is you can use up to 7 hashtags is what LinkedIn seems to in their algorithms pull. So on those 7, if you want to use 6 that are established hashtags, and then maybe 1 that you're trying to create and get some traction on, that kind of gets you a little bit better movement than just trying to create 7 hashtags from scratch. Okay, moving right along, our next one is hashtag pharmaceuticals. Our first one over 1 million at 1,052,921 followers. Our next one after that is going to be hashtag mental health at 1,757,462 followers. Now, if you go out into LinkedIn and you want to pull any of these hashtags and see the number of followers, we are pulling this list as of November 2020. In general, on LinkedIn, you don't really see hashtag numbers go down where they're having less followers because, to be honest, people just forget that it's in their newsfeed and that they're following the hashtag, and they don't choose to go out and unfollow them. But you do see the numbers continuing to rise. And that's because LinkedIn's still adding about 7 million people every single week. Let's keep going. And our next one is going to be hashtag health at 2,268,850 followers. And then hashtag managed care at a whopping 7,503,989 followers. You see these numbers are really starting to climb now. Going forward, healthcare reform was 7,783,419 followers, followed by hashtag medicine at 8,213,736. Now, if you do feel like this information that we're still going through is helpful, I would appreciate you giving us that thumbs up on our video, as it really does help our channel. And if you know somebody else that might benefit from these hashtag videos, please spread the word and share it, as again, it really helps our channel and we are all in this together. Moving on, let's go to our next one, which is hashtag healthcare at 9,763,520 followers. And that is the top one from our list today. All right, everyone, as always, thanks for watching. We hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to give us that thumbs up in the end if you feel that it was. And as always, I will see you next time.